Hello, this is conjunctions. We're starting on page 45 of your textbook. I'm sorry, page 44 of your textbook. All right, let's go over the objectives, what you need to be able to do at the end of this unit. You should be able to match the vocabulary words to the correct definition. You need to identify a conjunction within a given sentence, and you need to distinguish between coordinating, correlative, and subordinating conjunctions. You need to have a textbook, an internet connection to watch the videos, something to write with, paper, and 3x5 index cards to put your vocabulary words on. So let's look at conjunctions. You need to be able to read and identify words from a list. A conjunction joins two or more words, two or more items of the same grammatical structure. We'll talk about that in a little bit more. Subordinated conjunctions may come at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence. Since they begin a clause, they will not normally be at the end of a sentence. Knowing how to identify conjunctions makes it easier to punctuate sentences correctly. We will go into that later. All right, let's talk about now the types of conjunctions. There are three types of, let me start all over. There are three types of conjunctions. There are coordinating conjunctions. And a coordinating conjunction you can remember because they're one word and they spell fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So that's an easy mnemonic to remember what a conjunction is, fanboys. Now, a coordinating conjunction joins two or more grammatically equivalent structures. What that means is, if say you have the word and, whatever is on the left, say if it's a subject, then the word on the right of the and is also going to be a subject, or it could be a verb, but whatever grammatical structure it is, usually and is like an equal sign. The next type of conjunctions are the correlative conjunctions. And these are always in a pair, both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, and whether or, but they're not ever right next to one another in a sentence. And we'll see some examples of that. Now I put on here relative pronouns. I know we studied pronouns last time, but relative pronouns serve the same purpose, sort of, as subordinating conjunctions. So we're going to, just for the sake of refreshing your memory, who, whom, whose, which, and those, which and that, who, whom, whose, which, and that are relative pronouns. All right, and the last is a subordinating conjunction. Ooh, subordinate conjunction. That's bad. You might make that change in your book. Okay, here is a list of subordinating conjunctions. After, although, as if, as long as though, and I won't read them all, you can read them. But these are subordinating conjunctions, and these you absolutely must know. Absolutely, without a question, you must know these words. And I'll tell you what, if you don't know them, it's going to make later on, it's going to make it a lot harder because these are like road signs that say, hey, look, there's a subject and verb coming. There's a subject and verb coming. So make sure you know these. Okay, go ahead and get started on the exercises and I'll see you in the next video.